Hi everybody, this is Andrew. Today I want to talking about the script editor in Google. Before we start, I show you something on the sheet. This is the Google sheet. It's blank. So when I turn on a cell here, is put on the Andrew here. Oh, I got the pop-up message. Oh, hello, change on the tips A. That means whatever you change anything on the sheet, so you will get the pop-up message. How can we get the functionality? If you use the Excel, we have a function, the script. This is the VB script behind the Excel. So in the Google Drive, they have the similar things in it, but they use the script behind the sheet. The sheet behind the script can use anywhere. That's the idea. That means in the backend, you can create some program and you can use it anywhere. So just like a worksheet, PowerPoint, Word, whatever you want. So today, I only show you how to do the single thing, just pop up the message when you change anything on the sheet. Let's start. This is another sheet. Before start, we have in the Google have a script editor. You go inside, so they created a function for you, the project and the function. But firstly, I prefer change the function name, project tips. Oh, the name you can put on any name on it. Oh, it's not changed. Why? Project tips. Okay. Yeah, it's changed. Now we get the function. You know, the script behind Excel, Microsoft Excel, I mean, they use the VB script. But in Google, they will use the JavaScript. So if you have the knowledge about JavaScript, not not JavaScript, the JavaScript. So you can learn something on it. But today, we not focus on the JavaScript syntax, only use the one function. So by the way, you can change the function name here, just like test tips. Yeah, the name is changed. And then put on the name here. So the function name here, just like spreadsheet app, this function. And we get the UI. Get a UI function here and alert. If you have some knowledge about JavaScript, you can get it. You can put on the something here, just like the prompt here. We can use a similar. It's just like the hi, some changed in tips, something like that. Let's save it. Before you use it, you can test it. Just run it for the testing. This is what's happened. Because that script is linked to the sheet. So you can back the sheet with tips. You can get the same change as, no, it's some change. Sorry about that. Put in here to change in the sum. Change it. Okay, save it, run again. Yeah, the sum changed in tips. Good. The function is made. So next step, how can we link to the tips? That means when we change something, I want to, that program is run. So how can we do that? There's many triggers on it because Google script is much more functionality, much more power than Excel, than Microsoft something. So the script you can use anywhere for the Google product. So they have many steps to link to the sheet. Okay, let's go. So how can we do that? Normally, we will deploy our function on the sheet. Before that, we have to assign the Google service on it. The second step, assign Google service. So from here, you can find it. You can put on that program to anywhere. So many things, something like that. You can put on the YouTube. You can put on the Google Doc, the Google Sheet, Google Slides, whatever you want. So just now today we want to put on the Google Sheets. So we just turn on the sheet. That means this program will use on the Google Sheet. You can turn on the other one. Okay. This one. The second one, we have to set the relationship this project into cloud platform project. That means we have to link this program into cloud project. Enter the project number here. So if you already have the cloud project, you put on the number here. So now I want to show you how to generate cloud project, the Google Cloud project. So here we use the console cloud google.com to go there. So you find it, this account, and same with my account here. So this trick in it is before you start, sign out all the Google account. Normally, you can log in the different account into your computer in the same time. So you have to log out all the account and only log on the one account you will use up. So here we will create, if you have the project, you can use it. Today I will show you how to generate a new one and link to that project. When you click here, I already have one project. I can link to this project, but no, I want to add a new project. The project name. So you can put the project name here, just like project tips. C Plantform Project. Use the Google Cloud Platform. Maybe that's better. Create it. Oh, it's created. So view it. Now we get the project information, the project tips, GCP, the Google Cloud Platform. This is the project number here. So we copy the number here. Go to a script, and then cloud project number here. Assign it. That means all user can use it, whatever you want. Just put on confirm here. So here you get some error message. That project, it not access here. So you have to change the access. And you can get some information here to add it, to change it. Here, we change into external. Create it. That means this cloud platform have a project. This project can access external. So now I can access the project. That's me. So create it. You can put on the application name. Project tips. Okay, I put on the here app. I just want to put on the name. It's a different name in it. That's the project. It's a project tips GCP. The project tips app, and my project here is the project tips. So now you can, if your function is product, your company product, you have to go to, you can add some domain, some everything in it, but I think that you have to pay Google on it. But just now we use the free. So we don't need provide the information here. We only provide the name. That's it. And then my email address here. Save it. Okay, just now we have get access authorization. So here is a make external. Okay, so back to the project. Confirm. Oh, success. Your project, this project is project tips. On the project GCP here, project tips GCP here, and link to our project app. That's all for the link. The next one is the publish. So we already have the access. So just deploy here. So here it is the publish. You have to do some steps. You can open it. Read the script here. So now I give you some simple steps on it. So go to here, just like go to a script, the Google script here. You can get the project. This is my project. And then go there to the trigger. Add the trigger. Now this function name. And from spreadsheet, you can add a trigger on open. That means if the open the sheet and the trigger is fired, or added, or change, or from submit. So now I only put on the any change, my trigger is pop up. Okay, this one is pop up because I use the free thing. I use the free. Do you remember that? I use the free things for external, not supposed to my domain name and whatever you use. So you have to on the things here. The app is not verified. I think you have to pay something and you get the verified app. So now I use the unsafe thing. That means everybody can use it. Something like that. Go to a project tips app unsafe. Then everybody can use it. So here, that means you can share your app into the other account, whatever you want. So a lot. Okay, everything done. Put on the trigger on it. So back to here. Publish again. So we close it. Here, refresh it. It's loading. Okay, I change. You get the function here, the pop-up. Isn't that interesting? So I think the coming video, I will tell you how to generate more power script behind the sheet. That's all for today. Thanks for your watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.